Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is focusing on a brand new Mercedes Vito that we've upgraded with a brand new Alpine radio. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It'll keep you up to date with all of our latest installation videos that we're carrying out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. Let's get started. This is our installation on a 2019 Mercedes Vito. We've upgraded this particular vehicle with a reversing camera, shark fin DAB antenna, as well as a brand new 9-inch touchscreen. So this is a really cool solution. What I'm going to be talking you through is a little bit more about how this particular radio works, but also about the extras that this customer has added on. So what we're going to be talking you through is first of all, the reversing camera. So that's displaying now live directly onto the screen, which is the Alpine new head unit that we've gone for. And as soon as you select reverse, it automatically pops through onto that screen, looks really, really clear, and it's expanded onto that 9-inch screen. So it just makes that parking this particular vehicle that little bit easier. Next, we're going to be moving on to your shark fin on top of the roof. So this is a really good solution for those of you who are who listen to a lot of radio in the vehicle. It basically is the difference between the shark fin antenna and a on-glass glass mount antenna, which you see a lot of installers installing. The difference is absolutely incredible. I mean, in terms of the front one, you get what's called 3 dB gain, which is like the performance of the antenna from a glass mount antenna on the internal of a windscreen. These shark fins that we use give you around about 20 dB gain. A really, really cool bit of kit that improves your performance of your DAB signal tenfold. Really, really impressive. So in terms of the actual inside the vehicle, it's made a really nice difference in terms of the overall driving experience of this particular vehicle. So before, you had a very dated looking radio, even though it's a brand new vehicle. Now what you've got is a 9-inch touchscreen featuring built-in satellite navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can also add in an optional DVD player to this system as well if you wanted that to go onto the screen too. The main thing with Apple CarPlay is it gives you access, or Android Auto, it gives you access to your phone's map system, so you can use Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps, and it also pulls up sometimes, depending on what software you're using, can pull up your emails, your calendar, as well as text messages, and you can respond via Siri as well through the actual system. There's no additional microphone on this particular install because of how the head unit is placed further forward, so it's a bit easier to touch and reach to when you're sitting in the driver and passenger seat. What that allows you to do is also have a microphone mounted in the center of the actual unit itself, so there's nothing really cluttering up the front windscreen. You've not got an on-glass DAB antenna because that's on the roof as though like a factory location. And then you've also got no additional microphone up on the central part of the windscreen or on the sides at all. So it looks like a factory system. It gives you a really nice responsive touchscreen that also allows you, the main thing is that it's positioned further towards you. It means it's easier for you to touch as well. So that's a bit more of an overview of this particular solution. A really, really nice little upgrade here. My cameraman's left me. Bloody rude. Part-timer. Hope you've enjoyed this particular video. It's just hopefully giving you a bit more of an insight, if you own a Mercedes Vito, of what the install would look like as a finished product on this particular solution. We do loads of different upgrades for this particular vehicle, so feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our links below. Get in contact with us. We'll go through and spec your system to exactly how you want it. If something you want to take off of this system or add to this system, just feel free to get in touch and we can go through all of that when we meet with you. So the main thing is that you press the subscribe button below just to keep up to date with all our latest videos. But thank you once again for watching our very short video. Make sure you press the like button, and thank you very much. We look forward to upgrading your vehicle soon. Thank you.